Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to change your keyboard with the Onn TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So to do that, head over to settings. Under quick settings, you find the all settings button there. Click on it and navigate down to where you could find system. Now click on system and go down to keyboard. Now if you're on keyboard, right here you could change this from Gboard to any other board of choice. So if you've downloaded a keyboard application, maybe the Samsung keyboard or a custom keyboard, click on this, move from Gboard to the keyboard you have selected or you just downloaded, and when you have that selected, click on it to select, and that will become your new keyboard. You find out when you're toggling to search, when you're typing in different applications, that keyboard will be shown. And lastly, I'll just quickly show you how to change the language. So here, click on languages and navigate down after clicking off of this option. So use system languages, turn that off and navigate to the language of choice. Click on it and you have that turned on. So your keyboard will revert to this language. In my case, I'm turning that off and I'm going to retain my settings as use system languages because I want the United States English version to be the keyboard I have on choice. So that's my preferences. Choose what works for you. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel and I'll be looking to see you in the next video.